Hello guys, Devjyoti here from mywishyouTube.com, and today in this video I am going to tell you how to design a very beautiful website by using Astra Wordpress theme. And here I am going to use Elementor page builder. Okay, so first of all I am going to tell you in this video how to make this beautiful menu. After that, how to make this slider. Here I made some animated text. You can see that we are expert in, and this service, this text are static and not going to change, and in between that web designing, SEO, WordPress, this text are going coming randomly. After that I make a button here. Okay, after that this call that icon box. Okay, there is 6 icon box, and here is some list element, some text and some image is also here, and this is called flip box or animated box, whatever you can tell it. This is some toggle. when you click on this, the color of the heading gets changed and some text is appearing, and when you click in this again, this text going to disappear and it's change the color also. And here is your blog session, and here is the testimonial session. After that there is a Google map and some address, and here I add some social media icons of Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, YouTube and WhatsApp. And here is a very beautiful nice footer. Okay, and this is the footer tagline. Okay, so let's start. For this video I am going to use local server called XAMPP or AMP40, and you have to click in this link. Okay, and if you use the Windows, then you have to download the Windows. If you use Linux for this, and for the Mac user, this you can download any of them, and after that you have to install it. Okay, after that you have to open the control panel. When you first time open the control panel, it will be look like that. Okay, so after that you have to on that Apache and MySQL. After it's on, it becomes the green. Okay, so after that let's minimize it, and after that you have to open a new bar. Okay, and here you have to type that localhost. Okay, and after that you have to come in this PHP my admin. After that you have to create a new database. For that you have to click this new, and you have to enter that database name. Remember, this is case sensitive. Okay, so Astra 2, I am giving that database name Astra, ASTRA Astra 2. Okay, and create it. After that, what you have to do, you have to come back in your file manager. You have to come your PC in the C drive. You have to come in that XAMPP. In between you have to find one folder name called htdocs. This is htdocs. Okay, you have to open this. In between that you have to make all this work actually. So whatever the file I required, I already take this. Okay, and as you can see, I already download that WordPress. And how you can get this WordPress file? For that you have to come that wordpress.org. this is the official website of the WordPress. From there you have to click into get WordPress. Okay, so after that one file will be start downloading, and its name is this. Okay, that WordPress, the version every time going to get changed. Okay, so don't worry about that. So open this WordPress. In between another file will be there. Okay, just copy it here. It will take some time to get copy because there is so many file is there. And this is absolutely totally free. This Astra theme also free, and Elementor website also free. There is a premium plugin I am going to use in this to increase the functionality of the Elementor theme, and this called as that Z Elementors. Okay, Z Elements. Okay, I'm giving this file, don't worry, in my Google Drive I'll update this and I'll share the link. Okay, so here you can see that WordPress come. So rename as Astra 2. Okay, Astra 2. Yeah, in between, in this content, actually go to WP content themes. I doesn't need all these things. I need that Astra themes. This is the Astra theme. You can download it also, okay, or buy it also. So here is the Astra theme, and after that another thing also I needed it in the I need a plugin. This is the jet elements. Okay, so the jet element plugin also I needed. So let's unzip it also. Okay, done. I'll giving all this file to you, so don't worry. After that you have to just come type in the URL localhost / Astra 2. Okay, so choose the language. Here I'm going to choose the English, and after that let's go. And here the database name, so Astra 2 again, because you can remember I give that database name as Astra 2 only, and username by default will be root. Okay, I'm not going to give any password here, and okay, everything is okay. Take the table prefix, run the installation. Okay, so site title also I'm giving as Astra 2. Password, username I'm giving as admin confirm, and here it will ask for that email. Try to use your original mail ID. Okay, okay, after that install WordPress. It will take some time. Okay, it's done. So login now. Yeah, now let's log in here. First of all, come to appearance and theme. Here you can see that Astra is available here. Okay, so activate it. Okay, it already activated. Get started. It's activating the theme. Okay, so here it's telling that you have to select that page builder. I want this Elementor, so click in the next. There is so many predefined theme, but here I am not going to teach you how to copy paste. Okay, I mean here you click it, this all this come by default. Actually I am not going to teach you how to copy paste. I am going to teach you how to make a website from scratch. Okay, so for that, without wasting any time, come in the plugin, and okay, so first of all add new, type Elementor page builder. You have to install it, Elementor page builder. Yes, it's installed. Now you have to activate it. Okay, if you need the tutorial you can go, I know how to use it. Okay, and after that again come to that plugins only. So you have to activate this jet elements for Elementor. Okay, this is a premium one. I'll give you the file, so don't worry. Okay, so it's done here. After that you have to come in the page. There some sample page is there, please just delete them, move to trash and apply. Okay, now you have to create a page. So add new, name as home, and publish this. Okay, it's published now. So after that, what I have to do, after this home get published, I have to make the menu. Okay, so for that you have to come in that appearance menu. So here I have to give some menu name. I am writing that main menu. Okay, after that you have to click in this create menu, and after that you have to make this primary menu and automatically add the top level pages in this menu, and after that save it. So here I have to add this home, and I have to give some custom links also. For that I am giving the link as empty, so text I am giving as about us. Add menu, like that I am going to give some another thing also, like why special FAQ, our story, like that. After adding I am going to come back. Okay, so I add all the item. After that click in the save menu. Okay, let's come to the page now. Open the home. Let's check how it's look like. Okay, you can see the menu already come here, and if you want to change this logo, for that what you have to do, you have to come in this Elementor, and sorry, in application only, Astra option, you have to come here, and here upload logo is there. You have to click it, another page will open. Okay, so in this, if you have any specific image file or PNG file especially, you can upload it by clicking here in the select logo. And here I am not going to give any type of image. I am just rename as Astra. Okay, and publish it. Okay, after that close it. After that again come back to the page. From there also come down, and when you open the page you can click in this edit page also, that also work. After that what you have to do, you have to click in this edit with Elementor. So it will come in front end, and it's a front end design. I mean, you can directly whatever you want you can modify from here. Okay, so first of all I have to add that image carousel. So that is, you can see that slider. Okay, so just like that, you have to click and drag it here. Now whatever the image I need two slider only, so just remove this, and you have to click it here and choose the image and select file. Let's do one thing, add all the images whatever need to design this site at a time only. So here as you can see all the image gets uploaded. So first of all choose this one and insert media. So here you can see some title, subtitle showing. So whatever you need you have to just copy. Okay, so this is my slider, so I want to edit that slide 1, so click in this slide 1. So here you can see some image, and here is showing some title. Okay, so whatever the title you need you have to do it here. So I need this title. Okay, best Astra Theme tutorial ever. I doesn't need the subtitle, so make it empty. If you need you can write something. Okay, like if you need something you write it like that. Okay, so I doesn't need any description, so just remove them. and this is that button 1 and button 2. I need only single button, so make it has, and like wrote something like no more. Okay, you can see that no more is come here. Okay, and if you need the second button, then you have to make it has, so you can see two button will displayed. Okay, anyhow it doesn't need it, so just remove it. And like that, in the for the next tutorial, I mean for the next slider also I have to do the same thing. Okay, so I just come to that item, and in item slide 1 already is over, so this is the slide 2. So you have to click here and let's select this image, insert media, and after that whatever the title, like you wrote like based Elementor tutorial ever. Okay, like based Elementor tutorial ever. Okay, and if you need some random text, lorem ipsum, and you can copy any text from here. Like I need some subtext actually, like tell this, let's copy it. Okay, and in the subtitle paste it. Okay, so I doesn't need any description and like about us or something. Okay, so you can see my slider is ready. Here you can see there is two thumbnail is there actually, so but I doesn't need this thumbnails. So what you have to do, come into the style, in content there is no the thumbnail is there na, it doesn't need this thumbnail. Okay, you have to come this settings. Okay, in item and setting is there. Here what you have to do, here some thumbnail should be there, display full screen bottom. No, I doesn't need this full screen bottom should displayed. Okay, so display full screen bottom I'm making off it, and yeah, display thumbnail is there na, you just make it off. Okay, so you can see there is no thumbnail, and the width is 100%, it's almost right, and make it the height of this 650. Okay, 650 pixel. But one thing you can observe, this is not coming in the full screen. Okay, as you can see it's not coming in full screen. So for that what you have to do, you have to click in this portion, and in this layout you have to come in the advanced, make that everything should be 0, and margin and padding also 0, and in this layout what you have to do, this content width, it should not be box, it will be full width. So you can see it now, it's coming complete full width. Okay, let's refresh it. Okay, now you can see it's coming full width. Okay, yeah, perfect. So after that what I have to do, I have to add another row. For adding another row, you have to click in this portion. So it's giving that which type of row you want. Let's select this one. Okay, and I want this background should be some red color or pink color. Okay, so for that you have to come in the layout, after the style, and here background type, click in the classic, and the color, whatever the color you want you can give it. Okay, I want this color. And here now in this portion I want some animate text. So this is the animate text, just click and drag here. Okay, so I'm writing something before, and here you can see before text and after text, means these two things are static and not going to change, and what the animate text it getting changed, as you can see here. So here I am writing that we already expert in, and here I am writing that after text services. Okay, so and here I am going to change this, like I am writing that ACO, sorry, make it capital, it will look better. ACO, and like WordPress, and add more item as you want. So web designing, like that, whatever you want you can write here. Okay, so after that I want this color should be in white. So for that, what I have to do, you have to click in style, in that before text the color should be white. Okay, and after text for that color should be white, and I want this animate text color should be little bit bluish. Okay, okay, right, it's perfect. So after that, in this portion I need to add a button. For add the button, just search button, this one I need, so click and drag it here, and I want the size of the button should be extra large. Okay, and alignment should be in middle, and if you want to change this color also, you can do it from here. Okay, see this color getting changed. Now clicking info, it's look good. Okay, so here you can change the text, like contact us. Okay, right, so after that update it. But one thing you can observe, there is some padding left out, it's not coming totally full screen. See, in for the slider there is some white space remaining in every side, in down, in top, right, left, every corner. So for that, what I have to do, you have to click in this icon or here, whatever, you have to come in advanced, and you have to make that padding of 0. Now if you check it, it's totally full width, and there is no padding or there is no white space. Okay, so update it. After that, click in this and add the full width row. Only single session is there. So here I have to add the heading, and heading is about us. Okay, so click and drag the heading here. Okay, so about us. Okay, and I want should be in center aligned, and the style, the color should be in pink, in typography, let's make it 40 pixel. Okay, and give some top margin of that also. Okay, so let's give 40 pixel of margin. After that, add another row, and should be 3 column in the row. In this I have to add that icon box. Click it here. Okay, but I want this color and this, I want to change, keep the text and symbol added it, but I want there should be some difference in between this color because it's not looking good. So changing that color of the icon and text, just come into the style. For the icon, that primary color it's showing, so primary color I am giving that this blue color, and when I make it hover on that, this color should be some deep blue. You can check it. Okay, and for the content, I want this, for the title the color should be pink, okay, and for the description as it is okay. Okay, so it's look good now. Let's copy it. What happened? It's not get copied. Content, copy, acha, I have to make it duplicate and drag it here. Make another duplicate and drag it here. Now let's change some heading and as well as in icon also. Okay, click here, change the icon and change the heading text and change the icon also. Whatever the icon you like, you can keep. For this also do the same thing. And change the icon also. Okay, I want a copy, same thing like this row another time, so duplicate it. Okay, so another row will come. I want something gap in between this row, so click here, come in the advanced and give some padding top. Unlock it first, 10 pixel, remaining 0. Okay, now for this also let's change something, icon, for this also change the icon, change the text, like here also change the text and change the icon also. Like that. Okay, it's working perfectly. After that, add another row and this would be half and half. Okay, 50-50 divided type. And for that I want that background, the background color should be black. So for that you have to come to style and color, background should be black, and for this let's take the heading first of all. Give this as heading, change the color of the heading in white. After that I have to add another content also, so text editor. After that, in this text editor, let's give some text, and for this text editor let's give some style, make the color as white. Okay, and after that I have to give some right padding. So make it at 50, and top padding I am giving 10. Okay, so bottom also give padding as 10. After that I have to add that icon list. For that, come in that content, so list icon should be there, icon list, just add it here. In this I doesn't need this. Okay, so in this so add item, after that again add item, like that. Several times do it. One more time, add item. Okay, now I need some style here. That icon color, I want icon color should be in pink. Okay, deep pink, and after that text color I want in white. Okay, so when you hover on it, it's come little gray color. Okay, yeah, it's working perfectly. And if I want this icon size should be little bigger, then you can do it like that also. It's look more good. After that, here I want to add some image, so search for image and drag it here and choose image. I want to add this one, insert image, and align should be center. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. Let's update it. Let's check it how it look like now. Okay, I want some gap here. Okay, so for that what I have to do, let's mention some padding here. Top padding I am giving as First unlock it. Top padding I'm giving 40 pixel and bottom padding let's give as 10 pixel. Okay, and okay, remaining keep as it is. After that add another row and should be single session, so you have to add the heading, so to drag it here and leave it. So why use special, make it centered and give some margin top. Now 40 pixel, and in the style the color should be pink, and after that in typography the size should be 40. Okay, update it. So after that what I have to do, I have to add a row with 3 column. Okay, and for each of them I am going to add some animate box. For animate box you have to click here and you have to come down. Here you can see that animated box is there. Okay, you have to drag and drop here. So in animated box there you can see there is a front session and there is a back session. When you hover, the back session will come. So this front side content and back side content. For the front side content let's add some icon here. I'm adding the leap icon here, and here I have to add some title, and after that I have to add some subtitle also. I doesn't need any description here, so I delete it. After that for the backside content again the same thing, you have to give, if you want you can give icon, you can add icon, title, whatever you want. Like here I am doing what I am doing, I have to adding some title and some description. Okay, and if you want to change this button text you can edit that, like something here like no more or something like that. Okay, now if you want to change this color then you have to come in the style. Okay, so here you can see like you can change everything whatever you want. It's background type and everything is there, icon color and icon size, whatever you want you can do it. Okay, so here is from that icon font size, icon color, whatever you can do it. Okay, so here I am just doing that. I am going to change this background color. Let me choose some pink color. Okay, like that. Yeah, that's it. And this is the front side and that is for the back side. For back side also I am taking some pink color, a little bit dull color, like that. Little more. Okay, that's perfect now. Okay, so it's done here. So let's duplicate it and drag it here, and again duplicate it and drag it here. Now let's do some modification here. Let's change some this icon and change some text also. Okay, and for the last one also okay, and change the title as well. Okay, it's done here. After that, come down and take a row. This one I am choosing, this 100% width one. Okay, and here I have to add the title or heading, so drag it here. So for the title, let's take that frequently asked question and center alignment, and in advance give some like padding of 40 pixel. So sorry, I have to uncheck it, and only I need the top padding, so get 40 pixel. And here for this session I have to add some background image, so come style, and this classic, there the image is there, just click it, and this one I'm taking here, so insert media, and here it's showing that I want repeat should not be no repeat, the position should be center, okay, and size should be cover. Okay, it's done here. Now for the text, let's come here, text color I want in white. Okay, so now I want to add a inner section of downside of that, so here I have to add some toggle. So let's find it. Where is the toggle is there? This is called toggle. Okay, drag it here. Okay, and so toggle is looking like that. There is a heading and there is some content, so I have to edit that heading of everyone, like heading number 1, and let's give some text, it will look good. Okay, like that. Third, this toggle 2 again, like that. So I need another downside, so here you can see the add item is there, so toggle content, and after again do the add item, because I need total 4. Toggle title and content. Okay, it's done here, and here also I need the same thing. Okay, so let's check, can I duplicate it or copy it and paste? Okay, it's come perfectly. So now what I have to do, I want this sizes of the title should be little bit smaller, a little bit larger. So for that I would come, you have to come in the title, and here is a typography. In the typography you can increase the size. Okay, make it like 24, and for this also cast style title and make it also 24. Okay, and the color of the text should be white. Here also the color of the text, let me white. Okay, and this text, else you can do it like you can change the color of the text in pink also. Yeah, it also look good quite. Okay, darker pink or okay, so come in pink. Which one is looking good? Let's check and do it. Okay, okay, it's perfect. And for this also take the same color, then color sorry, 1 minute. I think it's not get copied. Copy it, and for this also same color now. Okay, and if you want, when you hover on it, the color should get changed, then come in title. Okay, active color, sorry, this active color, you can change it. So like if you make it like that, the differ one. Okay, and do the same for this thing also, that active color, this deep pink. Okay, so then what you can observe, that when I open something, this color gets changed. Okay, like that. Okay, hope you got it, my idea. But when it close, it's the color of the heading is different, this lighter pink, and when you open it, it's become differ pink. Okay, so now I want there should be some gap with the title. So for that you have to come in advanced in padding. Let's give some 20 pixel of top padding. Okay, it's working perfectly now, and I need some downside padding also as it is also. So select this one, give some bottom padding also like 20 pixel. Okay, so after that I have to give some blog. So for that you have to come in dashboard. So WP admin. So my dashboard will be get open. In here you have to come to this post option. There is a by default post. You just move to trust and apply all. After that you have to add some post here. So in post, click in this add new. Okay, this window will open. So here you have to add the title. There is some description is there. So in description, give some description, and I have to add this feature image. For the adding the feature image, you have to come in, click in the document. There you can see the feature image session. Okay, in this feature image, whatever the image you want, you can give it, and after the select, and after that we have to click in the publish. Okay, it done. Again add new, because I need to add 3 to 4 posts. Okay, again the same thing. Here you have to give the title and the body and the feature image. Okay, so title, and you have to add the body and you have to you have to come and click in the document and set the feature image. So whatever the image you want, you can give it like this one, and after that publish. So done. Again add new, in the add new give the title and content, and come to document and feature image. So let's take this one, select, publish, done. So I have to click in the add new again. Again I have to add the title, and some content. Okay, after that, sorry, let's get preview. I can click in the document, feature image. So take this one, select, after that publish. Now come back to here in my this one and take a full width session. Okay, in that heading, so here heading will be our story. So our story, center element, and color should be deep pink, and typography size is 40 pixel. Okay, done. Now so another content is there called blog or post. This one, take, no, don't take the recent post, this one. Okay, see, it's come already. This post title is a little bigger, so make it small because it's not looking good. Actually the alignment is not proper, so what you have to do, just cut it and update it and cancel. Let's update it and refresh. Come down, it should work perfectly now. Yeah, see, it's perfect now. After that I have to plan for the testimonial session. For this, what I have to do, again click in this, take the full width session. For this I have to add a background, so style, click in this, classic, and click in this. After that I have to choose the background, insert media, and again the same thing, the position is center. Okay, else you can do something like that also in this, because I want this portion of the image, so some center bottom should be there, so like bottom center. Okay, you can take this, and the size should be covered. Okay, and repeat, no repeat. Okay, it's done here. Now what I have to do, I have to add the heading, drag it and leave it here. So what I'm going to write, what people think about us. So after that come to the center alignment and come in the style, make it typography, let's make it white because the background is already dark. So in the typography make it 40 pixel, and in advance give some top padding as well. make it 40, and downside I am giving around 20 pixel. Okay, after that come to that content, and here there is a called testimonial. So TS testimonials. Okay, leave it here. Here you can see by default some testimonial is come. Okay, but I want this in a single page 3 testimonials should show, so make it 3. You can see it updated here. Okay, so come in the style now. So item, it's showing that item, the background color, this for whole background color actually. Check it, see, but I doesn't want any background color, so clear it. After that image, I doesn't add any image. Okay, that icon, so if you want to change the icon color you can do it. I make it white. Okay, after that dots mean here this dots color, if you want to change it you can do it. Okay, so dots color like here. So the box shadow, if you want to add you can add all these things. See, okay, like that. If you want red, whatever you color you want, you can give it like that. After that comment, color is white. Okay, everything is okay. And background type, I want the background is pink. Okay, I want deep pink, right? So everything, every option is there, box shadow and everything, margin, padding, alignment is center, whatever you want. The name color, this name color, make it white color because it's not visible that much clearly. Okay, it's okay. And after that position means that founder and CEO portion, make it some pink only. Okay, and after the date and all, make it white also. Okay, yeah, it's fine. And now I have to add some padding and all, so for that come to that advanced and unlock it and give some 20 top and 20 down. Okay, it's perfect. After that click in this portion, take another fully draw, click in here and take this one. Okay, it's come here. And after that what I have to do, sorry I took too time, I doesn't need this one. Remove it. Yeah, so that is, and click here. I have to add the heading, drag it here, and I have to rotate contact us. Again same thing. Center alignment and style, typography, you know it, right? So 40 pixel, text color is deep pink. Okay, and some margin top also you can give, and padding also, whatever you want. First of all, unclick it and check it, 40 pixel top padding, or sorry, top margin. After that I have to add inner section in that, because okay, cancel inner section. Yeah, where it gone? It's not happening. Okay, no problem, leave it here now. Yeah, it's working perfect. Now I have to add the Google map, so drag it here. Okay, so wrote your location name. My location is Jaipuri colony, so JIPURI RI Jaipuri COLONY. It should display now. Yeah, that's Jaipur Konica, my location. And you can zoom it, you can make the adjust the height and all. Okay, and in the style CSS filter, if you want anything you can give it, and margin and motion effect, whatever is there you can give it. Here I have to add the text editor because I'm going to add some text. So I don't need this, I want this. Okay, let's add this in heading 4 and remaining is in normal paragraph. Okay, it's done here. And after that again add this one, and I need some social media icons. Okay, so see social icons, click and drag it here. This already by default Facebook, Twitter and Google Plus is coming. I need some another also, for that you can edit it, like WhatsApp I need it. Link should be, make it empty. Add item if you want more, like accents, make it empty, like that. Whatever you want you can do it. Okay, so it's done here. After that, for designing the footer session, what you have to do, I'm going to tell you how to change this also. Okay, so for designing the footer session you have to come in the dashboard. So this is my dashboard. Okay, and for that you have to come in the appearance in the widget session. Okay, so this is footer 1 area, footer 2, footer 3 and footer 4 area. So in this I have to edit. So first of all, take this meta icon, meta tag, drag and leave it here. Okay, and if you want you can write the meta here. In this widget area 2 you can take a text session, leave it here, and write title as about us and some text. In footer 3 also do the same thing. Else do one thing, I doesn't need this, so delete it. Here you add the recent post. Okay, so recent post, here you write that blogs, recent blog, blogs, number of make it 5. Anyhow I just post only 4 blog actually. Okay, so it's showing the display post date or not. If you want you can check and save it. Okay, and for this widget 4 area, navigation means the navigation menu will come here. Okay, so navigation, let's search for the navigation menu here. Okay, here you have to select that main menu. Okay, and save it. Now let's update it and refresh. The menu should come. Let's check it's coming or not. So come down, it's not coming. There is a reason, I'm telling you. So for that what you have to do, you have to comment just appearance and Astra option. Actually by default in Astra theme that menu is disabled, that footer menu is disabled. So there you can see that some footer settings, click in that, check there should be a no footer. by default. This is the home, na? I designed this one, this home page. See, there is no footer. Do you know the reason? Actually, if you come in the footer visit, it's get disabled. It's checked. I have to check this one. Now see the magic. The footer will come. Let's load it. See, it's come. Okay, let's come then and make it publish. And now you can ask that how to change this one. Okay, this copyright powered by Astra, because you want your name here. So click in this icon and write your name or company name, whatever you want. Here I am writing my name and my company name. Jyoti Das is my name and my company name is webshowtips.com, and I am designing this in 10th May 2019. Okay, so publish it. Another thing I am going to tell you, let's cut it. When you load the theme, means like localhost/astra 2, remove this localhost/astra 2, what is coming? This page is coming. After clicking the home, the original website is loading. So for that, what I have to do, you have to come this settings option, okay, and here reading, you have to click this one and home page should be this home, okay, and after that save change. Now refresh it and let's check what is coming. See, the original website is coming here. Okay, so thanks to see this video. I know this is very bigger video. If you have any type of any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and this jet elements for Elementor plugin I am going to give you in my video description. From there you can download this plugin. If you want, I give this images also for your practice purpose. So thank you so much, and one last request, please subscribe my channel and like and share this video with your friends. Thank you, bye bye, have a nice